Mike Pettiford here. The new C8 Corvette. Normally the motor would be here, but of course it's not. And this is actually a pretty deep place to put whatever you would want to put in there. It's really nicely designed. Got your washer fluid. So yeah. And a little button, if somebody gets trapped in there, they can actually push the little button and get out. That's always handy in case someone throws you in the front of a Corvette for some unknown reason. You might want to get a shot of that. The little white button. So if you ever find yourself in the front trunk of a 2020 Corvette, that is the button that you push to get out. So, coming around here, we have the little bitty front tires, which are two 45, 35, 19s. I wish they were wider. And then the rear tires, which are 305, 30, 20s, which are wider. But the tires on my ZR1 Corvette in the front are wider than these in the rear. So, you know, they always do that to mid-engine cars. And that's the LT2 interior with the nice little stitching. The seats are very comfortable. I was really surprised how comfortable they are. It's a little harder to get in and out of this Corvette compared to the C7, but it's worth it once you're in there. So, this is where the action happens. The mid-engine, the LT2, the 6.2 liter with 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, or 475 pound-feet of torque. And here is the rear trunk. And you can either put the top in here, and this is pretty deep too. You can put a lot of stuff in there for a mid-engine car. I mean, it's not, the C7 had the entire hatch because there wasn't a motor back here, so you can put even more in that particular car. But again, for a mid-engine car, I don't believe there's another one that has two trunks like this, so that's kind of cool. So you close it very slowly, and then you push that down, and it does the rest. The little black Stingray, I thought that was a nice touch. And then when you get in it, you kind of drop down. So what I do is I put my arm here, and that holds me until I get in, and then that makes it look pretty easy. And I wanted to read off some of the stuff that I got as options. The 2LT preferred package, that gets you the heads-up display, the cargo nets, the better sound system, rear camera, performance data and video recorder. I definitely wanted that. Heated and ventilated seats, lumbar support. I didn't care if it had an advanced anti-theft system. Indicators, rear cross traffic alert, that's kind of cool. Side blind zone alert, that's kind of cool. And then I got the Z51 package for 5,000 bucks. I got performance brakes, performance suspension, performance exhaust. The key here is performance. Performance rear axle ratio, meaning a lower ratio for better takeoffs and quicker acceleration. Electronic limited slip differential, that's very important. Z51 rear spoiler, high performance tires that are run flats, that's kind of a oxymoron there. Heavy duty cooling system, that was very important. You've got extra radiators on this. The Sebring orange paint was another $995. Battery protection package, I always like that because if the car ever sits, you can plug it in and the battery won't die. Carbon flash, metallic painted outside mirrors on this car. The mirrors are painted black, the rear spoiler is painted black, and I'm gonna put black wheels and tires on it. So when I was thinking of this car in my head, it looked exactly like this. So it ended up having a sticker price of $73,490, which I think is a killer bargain because for double that amount of money, it's really hard to get a car that sounds like that with a mid-engine that is as fast and as nice